Hey everybody, William here, and oh, you guys gotta check this out. So, the neighbors have a mini split right there, and it's always on. Mr. Mike Grind comes out. He's like, "It's hot," so he's standing in front of it, holding up his shirt, like trying to cool off. Yeah, it's ridiculous. And Sarah, yay! So, we're up here in the Walker, Minnesota, up north there, and we got to get ready for the big snowstorm they got coming in. And we got a good 10 to 16 inches, It's going to be good. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be heading down to a liquor store there and getting us some Tito's. We got to make sure we have enough Tito's to get through the storm. Yesterday we had no Tito's, just had the beer. The beer was good, but we need the Tito's. Yeah?
You should do your Gunter.
Oh yeah, Gunther here, he does like the vodka.
Yeah, I don't think everyone needs to see that.
And with the vodka here, the Gunther, he likes to have it with, the LaCroix. It's very good, yeah.
Who likes watching Sing?
Yeah, Gunther likes watching Sing. Gunther's in Sing. Ooh-la-da-da-da-da.
You're so ridiculous. Hang on, we should
Okay,
flip it.
Yeah. No, okay, here we go. Say hi, Nance.
Oh, there's no audio. Per Nancy Thompson, there's no audio.
No audio. Uh-oh, hold on.
Check.
Hold on.
Can you hear us now?
Can you hear me now? All right. Hi, Nance.
I will.
Okay, well, Nancy, maybe there was no audio on your phone.
There's no
But-
audio on my phone?
No, other Nancy, where are we going right now?
I have to go to the post office.
Where am I going?
You're going to the liquor store.
Because you got to get ready for the storm.
Well, this does not fit in here. I got the wrong thing. I bet.
Oh, we should probably abort mission. Are you buckled up, Nance?
No.
Nance, get buckled up. You're going nowhere unless you get
For
buckled up.
Safety, buckle up. Got it.
Safety check.
Safety check.
Okay.
You're on live.
I'm on live. I don't need to be on live.
I think the whole world wants you to be on live.
No, I don't think so.
Hey, Sarah, what did we just do for a little bit there?
We played Catan.
And who won? Don't worry, this guy! I won 2 games in a row. How does that make you feel, Sarah? Oh,
Sarah, speak the truth. We don't lie in our
There's no lying and there's no cheating.
no cheating.
He won fair and square. It's
I
just
did.
irritating. So when we get back from our...
the board's set up.
Why is it irritating that I won?
Because I like to win.
But what if Gunther would have won? Yeah, that'd be even better.
Do you know Guntar from
No.
Sing?
Ooh-la-da-da-da-da.
Will likes to impersonate Guntar.
Who is Gunter?
Gunter. From
Not Guntar. It's
Sing.
not like Ricktar.
He's like the pig.
Oh,
Yeah, the male pig.
Okay, the pig. I know. See,
Yeah.
all you have to do is say the pig.
Oh, whoa.
Wow.
Busy down here in Walker.
The Walker, you guys. Check out downtown Walker area.
It is busy.
Oh, you guys, we got a traffic jam over here by Reed's. It's got to be careful. There's lots of people going in crazy right now. With
Right here, you should park.
yeah,
Oh,
we
that's
got-
like ice, Mom.
Oh, the bank parking lot. They just redid that this summer. You remember
Yeah,
that?
well, turn to the left, Will.
That look. I thought you said we're going to the post
Well, you
office,
go
dear
there
Nance.
first.
No, we're going to the post office
You won't
first.
be able to get across.
Oh, yeah. With the
Heavy traffic.
This is
metropolitan heavy traffic
High
area.
traffic in Walker.
Oh, I got to tell you, one Mississippi. Yeah, we got to be
Mississippi.
careful.
3 Mississippi 4.
These people are going to go ahead and cross, so I'm going to go ahead and...
Cross.
There we go. Hey, Nance, that was pretty difficult.
That
to get
is
a-
Walker
That is
traffic.
That was, yeah, the Walker
And
times.
usually you've got to go up to the light, Will.
It does get
Usually-
kind of crazy in the summertime. There's a good 50, 60 more people up here.
We're funny, you guys. We're
Hashtag
funny.
truth.
Don't make fun of my town.
Oh, don't! Did you hear that? Flip
Yeah.
this back around.
Yeah.
Don't make fun of her
My
town.
Yeah, we're at the post office now, you know.
Is it okay?
Are you okay there, Nance?
I got the key.
Okay. Well, I meant for the ice. Be careful. Legitimately. Please don't fall.
Oh,
It's her town.
Yeah.
Don't worry. They love their post office.
Because they have to go to it.
They love their pharmacy at Thrifty White.
The super one.
They love. My dad loves Super One. My mom loves the green scene.
That's up in the
That's
mid.
up here.
Oh, it's the green scene there,
It's
eh?
a little organic shop.
So last year, up into Walker, they had a brewery there and it burnt down, and I think it's going to be coming back online here soon. They got to talk to Jim. He would know.
Jim. Pam.
I don't know who Jim is.
Karen.
Yeah, I think Karen, she's on the board for that. Her and Pam. Yeah, they were down at, they were getting their nails done there.
And they
the other day.
also stop. It's so annoying. Give me a thumbs up if that's annoying.
But they were getting their nails done. They were talking
Will-
to Susan.
I was telling Will, like, 3 years ago, I would have been working in a retail store. So, like, to not even, like, go anywhere on Black Friday is really beautiful.
Until we went to the post office and we're going to go to Reed's.
we did go to the. Oh, you make it?
And now we're going to go to Reed's.
We're going to have to cross the busy highway again. Guys, it's gonna be terrible. It might take a whopping 30, 40
How was
seconds.
the post office?
It was my box. You always have to have a key. Remember your key.
Did Karen or Pam help you?
No, it's Annie or Kathy.
Oh,
There's Kathy.
Was the brewery open?
Is it? We're driving by the brewery.
It doesn't look open yet.
Portage.
There's people in there, but I wonder.
I don't know. I think they're just
I think
yeah.
I think they're working.
Yeah. Like to get ready.
Careful,
to,
Will. The
Oh.
sheriff is ahead.
Oh, the sheriff. Oh, the cop. He's in town today.
Yeah, Mom. Is there a sheriff here all the time?
Yeah.
Oh,
What's his name?
Oh.
Dad
I don't
hasn't met
know.
him yet.
Man, so you gonna just stop talking to us, or
Yeah, I'm reading something that's
Oh.
gonna make me cry. So just a minute.
okay? Just remember, you're still on Facebook Live. You guys, there's a lot of eating options here in Walker.
What is it?
What we're gonna do is, oh, there's a truck coming. You gotta be careful there. It's coming. All right, we gotta be careful. All right, we can go now.
Normally, we have our backseat driver with extra eyes. Her name is Nance.
But I'm not. I'm reading something, so I'm not bothering you.
Oh.
So we're gonna go to the liquor store here, the bottle shop we call it.
We do? We call it the bottle shop? No, we don't.
There's the police right there.
Oh, there's the sheriff. Oh, he turned his lights on.
Oh, he's come and get him.
Well, no, he's actually up here at the bottle shop getting
Bad
himself something to
boys,
drink for
bad
later.
boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
The bottle shop here is pretty busy, so it's only 15-minute parking in all these spots
Just watch so you don't.
because they want to make sure that enough people can get into the bottle shop there, eh?
All right, take it and go.
Just so you know, we're already having dinner tomorrow.
No. Get up.
We got a
Fake news.
we got a reservation for 7 p.m. It's gonna be wonderful.
I don't.
Say bye. Say bye. Hey, Nance, say goodbye.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends. Our fans, Mom.
Our
Fans.
Yeah,
My fans.
we'll be back later after I have a few in me. We'll go ahead and we'll talk about strategy for Catan there. All right, bye. Deuces.